Love Gevos.
Hell no.
Yes, you do.
Fuck that shit.
Yeah, no, you love Gevos.
Hell no.
You'd rather see a Gevo than an SD40.
Fuck that shit.
No, you're lying.
There you go.
You're telling stories. You're
I
telling
don't tell stories.
Yes,
I
you
keep
do.
it straight.
84 to Union Station is arriving in approximately 9 minutes.
I don't fucking care.
Come on.
Bye, Grandma's ashes.
It's
my penis.
1284 to Chicago.
What do you mean by that?
Station is arriving in approximately 9 minutes.
Sure that.
Kill yourself.
No, I gotta teach it its lesson.
On the cow.
Goodbye, motherfucker.
That.
What? It's gonna get blown away by the inbound. What?
Going up there, he's dropped down against the water.
No.
After saying it all in my head, it's
Plus, Braden's
coming
gay.
out.
No.
I hate how he.
Otherwise.
For Neanderthal in the chat, we have an ice dweller in the chat. Let me get rid of this ice.